अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम टॉप 20 एमसीक्यूज कवर करेंगे ऑन डाउनलोडिंग एंड अपलोडिंग। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज डाउनलोडिंग? ऑप्शंस आर ए, ट्रांसफरिंग डेटा फ्रॉम ए लोकल सिस्टम टू ए रिमोट सर्वर, बी, ट्रांसफरिंग डेटा फ्रॉम ए रिमोट सर्वर टू ए लोकल सिस्टम, सी, deleting files from a remote server, or D, none of these. So the correct answer is option B, transferring data from a remote server to a local system. Question number 2, what is uploading? Options are A, transferring data from a local system to a remote server, B, transferring data from a remote server to a local system, C, deleting files from a local system, or D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option A, transferring data from a local system to a remote server. Question number 3, which protocol is commonly used for downloading files from the internet? Options are A, HTTP, B, FTP, C, SMTP, or D, both A and B. So the correct answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 4, which of the following is an example of a file sharing platform for uploading and downloading files? Options are A, Google Drive, B, Dropbox, C, OneDrive, or D, all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 5, which of the following is not a file format commonly downloaded from the internet? Options are A, .exe, B, .mp3, C, .txt, or D, .cpu. So the correct answer is option D, .cpu. Question number 6, what does FTP stand for? Options are A, file transfer protocol, B, file transmission protocol, C, file transfer process, or D, file transmission process. So the correct answer is option A, file transfer protocol. Question number 7, which of the following is a secure protocol for uploading and downloading files? Options are A, HTTP, B, FTP, C, SFTP, or D, SMTP. So the correct answer is option C, SFTP. Question number 8, which of the following is a cloud storage service? Options are A, Google Drive, B, iCloud, C, Dropbox, or D, all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 9, what is the full form of URL? Options are A, Uniform Resource Locator, B, Universal Resource Locator, C, Uniform Resource Link, or D, Universal Resource Link. So the correct answer is option A, Uniform Resource Locator. Question number 10, what is the purpose of a zip file in uploading and downloading? Options are A, to compress files for faster transfer, B, to encrypt files, C, to delete files, or D, to scan for viruses. So the correct answer is option A, to compress files for faster transfer. Question number 11, which of the following is a common file format for downloading audio files? Options are A, .mp3, B, .jpg, C, .docx, or D, .xlsx. So the correct answer is option A, .mp3. Question number 12, which of the following is a common file format for downloading images? Options are A, .jpg, B, .mp3, C, .pdf, or D, .exe. So the correct answer is option A, .jpg. Question number 13, what is the primary difference between downloading and uploading? Options are A, downloading retrieves data while uploading sends data, B, uploading retrieves data while downloading sends data, C, both are the same process, or D, neither involves the internet. So the correct answer is option A, downloading retrieves data while uploading sends data. Question number 14, when you stream a video online, it is an example of. Options are A, downloading, B, uploading, C, streaming, or D, buffering. So the correct answer is option C, streaming. Question number 15, what is a common unit used to measure download and upload speeds? Options are A, MB per second, B, KB per second, C, Mbps, or D, all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 16, what happens when you upload a document to Google Drive? Options are A, it is stored on your local PC, B, it is sent to a cloud server, C, it is emailed to someone, or D, it is converted into a PDF file. So the correct answer is option B, it is sent to a cloud server. Question number 17, what is buffering in online streaming? Options are A, downloading an entire file before playing it, B, loading a part of a video before playing it smoothly, C, uploading files to the internet, or D, compressing a file for faster transfer. So the correct answer is option B, loading a part of a video before playing it smoothly. Question number 18, cloud storage services allow users to dash files for later access. Options are A, download, B, upload, C, both download and upload, or D, delete. So the correct answer is option C, both download and upload. Question number 19, what does HTTP stand for? Options are A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, B, High Transfer Text Protocol, C, Hyper Transfer Processing, or D, High Technology Transfer Protocol. So the correct answer is option A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Question number 20, what does the term peer-to-peer downloading mean? Options are A, downloading directly from a single website, B, sharing files directly between computers without a central server, C, uploading files to a cloud storage service, or D, streaming videos from the internet. So the correct answer is option B, sharing files directly between computers without a central server. होप आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमारे इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और शेयर भी कीजिए और साथ साथ हमारे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। अगर आप हमारा फुल प्लेलिस्ट देखना चाहते हो कंप्यूटर का, तो आपको कंप्यूटर प्लेलिस्ट की लिंक कमेंट सेक्शन में मिल जाएगी, आप वहाँ जाके उस प्लेलिस्ट को देख सकते हो। थैंक यू।